Hi, my name is Haley Hunt, and I'm with ViewSonic, and today we're at InfoComm 2024. Today I'm going to be talking about a really cool and exciting product that is in open beta right now, and it's called TeamOne. So let's go ahead and take a look. So TeamOne is an online collaborative whiteboard space with a digital canvas. So we have many very fun things, including templates that allow you to easily access content directly and get started. The idea is to have online collaboration for users to be able to enter into a meeting space and have everyone provide their own ideas. So by looking at the board itself, we already have an infinite canvas, and as this pulls up, there are going to be many things that you note here. There are lots of annotation tools. There are also ways to incorporate live URL links, including you can also do live YouTube videos as well, and they will play directly in here. There are some also great facilitation methods for being able to interact during meetings, including voting features. So the voting features will allow you to access your team's potential of ideas of what to move forward with. Some other things that you can look for are cloud storage, so you can access your files from anywhere. This is also a benefit of it being completely browser-based, so since it is in the cloud, you can access this on any device, and this would allow you to interact with whoever is in person during a meeting or even those hybrid users. One fun feature also that we also like to mention is that this is also incorporated with Microsoft Teams. So what that means is you can already go into the Microsoft Teams application today and download and start using it in your meetings. So this is TeamOne, an online collaborative whiteboard. We're very excited for it, and we would love for you to check out viewsonic.com for more information. Thank you.